Boom, what up? We're back.
The dynamic duo, Jizzle.
Snoop and Dre, Batman and Robin. What's up, y'all? You know what I'm saying? We thought we might just chime in.
Yes, sir, because it's been a minute. Bring it to you.
On this December Wednesday, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, man.
Another ride along with Jizzle, you know.
Hope you had a great Christmas.
You know, he just got back in from out of town. You know, he was feeling under the weather.
Man.
I know you see him, he just got a surgery. Look at that.
Man, I was in the whirlwind, man.
That's not good. Whirlwind? Wow.
Good.
Yeah. Anyway, yeah, right along as we go to the, we finna go where, downtown?
Man, we in traffic, man.
We in traffic, baby. We finna go downtown. Let's get it, man. Get your punk ass up.
Man, so there's definitely a virus going around, man. I caught the flu. And, I mean, going from LA weather to St. George, Utah's weather, and that air is so fresh up there, and the elevation is up there that, man, that fresh air right there, man, it just like cracked my system. It wasn't ready, you know. It didn't help that it's freezing out there, and I wet my hair and thought I was in sunny Southern California. As soon as I went outside, oh man, something jumped on me and was like, oh yeah,
Something jumped on me.
you sunny Southern California young fella, finna beat you up. But nah, so I caught this flu and it just had me down for the count, man. Congested, cough, and throughout the night I couldn't even sleep. It was just horrible. I was taking I guess it's called Mucinex for the mucus, and you name it, whatever cough drops there was, it was just horrible, man. No sleep at all, just all through the whole night. My sister, she thought she had, I mean, I think it works. Her little home remedies. She wants to cut up the onions and leave the bowl of onions right there while I sleep. Fresh air, I guess, man. I don't know. And you know, hot tea. I was drinking hot tea throughout the day and just trying to flush the system, but man, body was just, ooh, it was vicious. Oh, I broke out with fever twice. The first time, I did take one Tylenol, and it was just one that I was providing. I was like, man, I'm a big boy, man. You give me two of them things, man. You know? But, you know, I was treated with the washcloth, the cold washcloth all on my head and all that. Yeah, I was down. I was really down for the count, man. And, thank God, man. Just make sure that every time the mucus came out, I just spat that out in a bottle. And
yeah, because he was sending me the videos.
what's going on, y'all? Just want to give y'all a sneak peek of my present. Jizzle!
I'm like, what the hell's going on with this dude?
Hey.
Playing peekaboo and shit.
Hey, boy, I had to rub the Vicks all over my chest and nose and shit, man. That shit's crazy, man. But protect yourself, man. Hey, you going in an environment you're not familiar with, man. Down, man. Grind continues.
Better believe it.
Man, 2023. Woo! Man, you ready for me? Huh? And live?
So I just got this for free from Jizzle. They be smelling good, this hand sanitizer. I ain't lying. Must be smelling good. The aloe, the aloe vera, you know. Like how you balangis be saying it. Aloe vera. Shh, it's aloe. Okay. So we in the lair right now, you know. We're about to come out. We was out here doing some business. Jizzle feeling good. He got the NyQuil on him. You know what I'm saying? He got the TheraFlu. Y'all gotta cover up and stay germ free because it's going around. You know what I'm saying? And this is where we come to talk about content and stuff like that. You know what I mean? Ain't that right, Jizzle?
For the magic is magic. Man, we sit down and handle business. And we wash dishes. But yeah, man. It's great to have us to get back on this and shoot this for our people. Keep them in the loop. And we're human. We get sick too, man.
Yeah, for real. Just in case y'all think we AI, because we be on social media a lot.
For real. We get sick, man.